American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Here we are with our stock number 2030 JR. It's 2010 Ford F-750, Cummins 6.7 liter, standard shift. It is equipped with a 60-foot Altec over-center forestry unit, 11-foot dump bed. This truck has brand new tires, 59,000 miles, ready to go to work. Fully reconditioned. Truck is in excellent shape. See there, frame is really clean. Again, brand new tires, all 6, fully serviced, ready to go to work. This truck, as advertised, load up your tools and crew and go straight to work. Truck is one owner, fleet maintained. Again, it's equipped by equipped with a Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel 6-cylinder. Very reliable Cummins power. Go ahead and get a startup. Go ahead and get an exhaust as well. Again, this truck is being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can text or call Anthony Rubio at 954-706-0081. We'll go ahead and activate the PTO right there. PTO is activated. It does have a high idle on the other outrigger. Once it comes out to a certain part, you'll actually hear it click. Activates the high idle. Right there, there was the click, and there's the high idle. We're gonna go ahead and control this from the ground. Again, this is an Altec LRV 60-foot working height, over center forestry package. I do offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. You can give me a call at 954-706-0081. Again, this truck has been fully tested and demonstrated, reconditioned, ready to go to work. All cylinders and lines have been checked. I do offer shipping lowboy service as low as $2.5 to $2.75 a mile. Gas prices don't help right now, or diesel prices. And I do have financing as low as 3% interest. All 100% commercial, non-personally guaranteeing loans. Very competitive rates. Let me go get a drop, or excuse me, a demonstration of the dump here. Oh, that's the outrigger. Very clean truck. Again, it's an 11-foot dump bed. You got a toolbox there, as well as the 4-door toolbox here. Dump control, upper and lower, and your outriggers for this side. Again, this truck is being sold by American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You can call or text me 954-706-0081. This truck is ready to go. Again, we specialize in forestry bucket trucks. If you need more, we have additional in stock. This is not the only one I have on our property. Again, every truck we sell, we go through completely head to toe before we stick it on the road. 59,000 miles, standard shift, PTO cable, ready to go to work, hydraulic brake. Seats are brand new, ready to go to work. Look sharp when you make money, guys. The truck to do it. All LED lights. She's ready to fly. Give me a call, 954-706-0081. Again, my name is Anthony Rubio, owner of American Trucks and Equipment of Florida. Go ahead and get the hood closed so you guys can see it. There are pictures on our website. Again, if this is not the truck you're looking for anything else, take a look on our website. And if you need multiple, we do have them.